Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme on your HTC Desire 20 Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now you have to scroll down, go for the system, tap on the languages and input, and go for the virtual keyboard. Right now we have to go for the Gboard and enter theme. And here we got the default themes, but we are going to customize with our own picture, so click right here. And you have to select right now the picture that you want to set up as your theme. So I pick up this one from the Flash. And here we get the Barry Allen on our screen. And let's take the face of the Barry. So click next. And here we can to adjust the transparency of our keyboard. And I think that I'm going for the 60%. Then click done. Tap on the apply. And right now we can check it, how it looks, for example in the messages. So as you can see, that's how our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!